In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Word, key features, how it works, and why it's the standard. Microsoft Word is a core part of the Microsoft 365 suite and the world's most widely used word processor. It's designed to help you create, format, edit, and share professional quality documents, whether you're working on a personal letter, an academic paper, or a complex business report. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with document creation. You can open a blank page or choose from thousands of pre-designed templates for resumes, reports, flyers, invitations, and more. Templates are a huge time saver because they give you a polished layout right away. Just search for what you need, open the template, and replace the placeholder text and images with your own content. If you prefer total control, start from scratch and build your structure as you go. Next is formatting and styling. Word gives you fine-grained control over fonts, colors, margins, and paragraph spacing. The real secret to consistency is styles. Applying built-in styles, such as heading 1 or normal, keeps everything uniform and professional. You can modify a style once, and the entire document updates automatically, which is especially helpful in longer files. Styles also pave the way for a clean table of contents and quicker navigation. Speaking of working together, collaboration tools in Word make teamwork straightforward. Multiple people can edit the same document in real time, so you'll see updates as they happen. Track changes lets contributors suggest edits without overwriting the original text, and comments help you discuss specific sections. When you're ready, accept or reject edits to finalize the document while preserving a clear revision history. Word integrates smoothly with other Microsoft apps. You can embed Excel tables and charts that stay linked to your data, turn an outline into PowerPoint slides, and use Outlook data for mail merge to personalize letters or envelopes at scale. This integration reduces manual copying and keeps your information consistent. For longer documents, the navigation pane is your best friend. It shows your headings and lets you jump between sections or reorganize content quickly. Word also includes an accessibility checker to catch issues that might make your document hard to read, such as missing alt text or poor contrast, helping you create inclusive content. Finally, cloud connectivity makes your work portable. Save to OneDrive to access and edit files on Windows, Mac, mobile, or a web browser. Your changes sync across devices, and version history helps you roll back if needed. Put simply, Word excels at text-heavy documents, sophisticated layouts, and collaborative editing, making it the industry standard for polished, professional results. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.